Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 1. The Blessed Lord said, "Again, O mighty armed, listen to my supreme word, which I, wishing your welfare, will declare to you who delight in hearing me."
Chapter 10, Shloka 1. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Bhuya eva mahabhago Shृणु me paramam vachah Yatteham priyamanaya Vakshyami hitakamyaya.
Chapter 10, Shloka 1. Having understood that the Spirit is the essence in all the individuals, what is the place of Spirit in all individuals is explained in this chapter as A. The power of Lordship, and B. The pervasiveness of or immanence of the Self. Lord Krishna as the Self, the eternal and all-pervading, is the source of the universe. His exact place and worth in the collection of things and beings is indicated now as joyous infinite among the joyless finite objects. The self conditioned by or reflected in or functioning through the individual mind and intellect is the ego, jiva, limited by its own imperfection, while the same eternal self, conditioned by, reflected in, or functioning through the total mind and intellect is the God principle, Ishvara. This understanding of the working of the self through an individual mind and the cosmic mind is very essential. For example, in a democracy, he alone can come up to govern the country who represents in himself the will of the majority. The government is thus created by the adult votes together, but once the government is formed, the governors become mightier than the individuals they govern. I, identifying with my limited intellect and mind, become ego, bound and limited, while I, the self, identifying with that total mind intellect, are the mighty and powerful. The omnipotent and the omniscient God principle, including in myself the creator, the sustainer, and the annihilator. This total mind includes in itself its mere presence in the plant kingdom, better developed mind and intellect in the animal kingdom, and well developed mind of man. This theory also proves and explains the omnisciency and the omnipotency of God as the Lord of the universe. Arjuna's interest to learn makes Lord happy as he is eager to teach and wants Arjuna, who is a hero in life, to equally become a hero in his inner life, to discover the great kingdom of diviner joy. He says, "Again, O mighty armed, listen to my supreme word. Wishing your welfare, will declare to you who are delighted to hear me." Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.